everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Soap Stories, and today we're talking about umkhokha. Hayi guys, kusashubile ngampela kumapeketwane ebandleni lamaJudiya, akukho kulungayo, ayikho nje into elungayo kumapeketwane ngampela. Kodwa inkungu ke ngazi ukuthi siyasa kukhulekana uqala ukuzibona ukuthi engazuthi ke akayena kahle hle umkhululi nakho ke ehlule ukuvusa ke usabelo. Okokuqala nje guys, ukhulekani wabusisa umuntu wekade eqalekisiwe ngenxa yezinzo zakhe ezimbi uMamzobe, nabasaqhubeka ke nokumlahlekisa. Phela guys, uMamzobe ngabe uyena omtshelayo ngolaka likaMthembu kumuntu ke ovukela ibandla. 2, wabeka umuntu behlaliswe phansi ngenxa yemkhuba yakhe of sabotaging the church. Yena umenza ke umsizi wakhe guys. uNdlovu is bad news, akekho ongamazi beside ukhulekani. Yesterday episode they were proposing guys ukuthi kube khona ke a coexistence between their churches, but ke uSiphamandla uzoshaya phansi ngonyawo athi ngeke kwenzeke lokho. Ngapha kuManzimande is losing weight and akadli ke guys, uthi ke uyokhuleka entabeni ukuthi ke umvelase amphendule. Uyokhuleka ke mhla ukhulekani uyokhuleka ke mhla ukhulekani ke wakhothamela ke uSiphamandla ngoba uManzimande uyakholwa ukuthi ke uSiphamandla uyena umkhululi. Ayike guys, kunjalo ke ngampela ke futhi ke akusensuza ntshwala ke umvelase athi qhu and forces things around guys and turn the table and akhombisa ukuthi ubani ubani. Asazi ke guys ngoba ke unomkhosi uyahamba ke, so asazi mhlambe ke ukhulekani uzoganwa ke unokubonga asazi, but ke guys we are looking forward to see how will they unfold leso story ke sokuthi ke unomkhosi usehambile ke kumkhokha. Yeah guys, asazi kuzokwenzekala neke guys phakathi ke kaSiphamandla nokhulekani mangabe ke sonke lezi game ke siyibona useyidlulile, umvelase sedilile nebandla labo noMamzobe noNdlovu, asazi ukuthi kokwenzekani ke phakathi kwezilamani. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone.